Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel App Studio. So guys, the month of September has come to an end and we must have a look on some of the apps which are released in the month and some highly updated. So guys, without much further ado, the first app on our list is Widgetsmill. So if you have updated to iOS 14, this app might be very efficient for you. So when you will open the app, you will have three options: small widgets, medium widgets and large widgets. To customize an widget, you just have to click on it, then click on default widget. Then you will have different categories over here. आपको जो अच्छा लगे आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, but some will be locked and you can unlock them with the premium subscription. So अगर आपको कोई अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप बस डायरेक्टली उस पर क्लिक करिए, then go back and click on save. Then go back to your home screen, hold on to your screen, click on the plus button, just directly drag it to your screen. Click on done. So everyone, the second app on our list is Strava. So Strava is mainly for all those people who love doing cycling, mainly cycling and other sports. So you just have to go in this middle button to record. Just select your sport which you like, and you can also find a route from here by going to its website and just go on to the start button, and you just have to close the phone and put it in your pocket, and Strava will automatically examine your whole workout activity. So the other thing which I like about this app is that you can join for challenges like 100 kilometers run and etc, and you can earn prizes for this also. So the third app on our list is actually a game which is called Golf Skis. So guys, Golf Skis is basically a very easy game in which आपको ball को by collecting the coins put the ball into the holes before the stamina has been gone. And the game has ton of modes which you can play while you are free. So guys, the fourth app on our list is Unsplash. So Unsplash is basically a wallpaper app used by many people around the world. So when you will open the app, you will find different wallpapers down below which you can save onto your phone. And फिर यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लोर के कॉलम में भी बहुत सारे जॉनरास मिल जाते हैं. आप चाहे तो यहाँ पे सर्च कर सकते हैं किसी भी वॉलपेपर के लिए रिलेटेड टू, एंड अगर आपको कोई वॉलपेपर अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप डायरेक्टली उस पर क्लिक करिए एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस डाउनलोड बटन, और यू कैन save it for later also by this plus button, and like this wallpaper by this heart button, and you can also share this wallpaper with somebody else. So guys, the plus feature of this app is that आप इस पे जब आप साइन अप करेंगे तब आप अपनी खुद की फ़ोटोज़ भी डाल सकते हैं जो कि दूसरे लोगों को पसंद हो सकती है, तो वो उस फ़ोटो को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, एंड जब वो वॉलपेपर या फ़ोटो डाउनलोड करेंगे तब आपको एक मेल आएगा, उस पर थैंक यू लिखा होगा. सो गाइज, द फिफ्थ ऐप ऑन अ लिस्ट इज प्लांटी, विच इज़ बेसिकली एन ओल्ड ऐप, बट दिस ऐप हैज़ बीन डाउनलोडेड बाय मेनी पीपल इन द मंथ ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स सिंपल डिज़ाइन एंड वर्किंग ऑफ द ऐप. सो गाइज, बेसिकली आपको पहले टाइमर सेट करना पड़ेगा जितने भी टाइम का आप चाहते हैं, फिर आपको स्टार्ट बटन पर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा एंड फिर आपको अपना फ़ोन लॉक करना पड़ेगा. तो गाइस, द प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस ऐप इज़ दैट अगर आप अपना फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं उस ड्यूरेशन के बीच में तो आपका टाइमर खुद ब खुद ही बंद हो जाएगा एंड यू हैव टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग अगेन. एंड गाइस, आपको जब आप अपना टास्क कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, यहाँ पे आपको कॉइन्स मिलेंगे आपके, एंड फिर आप इन कॉइन से नए प्लान्स खरीद सकते हैं इन द ऐप इटसेल्फ, एंड आपका जो प्लांट था वो भी ग्रो करेगा. सो गाइज, द सिक्स्थ ऐप ऑन अ लिस्ट इज फोकस टोमेटो. सो फोकस टोमेटो इज ऑल्सो अ टाइमर ऐप in which you can set your timer and then just click on start, and you can also add notes to your timers for your work. click on OK, and you can also set a timer for your rest time. You can also watch your timeline which you have done in so many days. You can also watch your states, and you can also choose different sound effects for your timers. So guys, the 7th app on our list is Motivation, and if you have downloaded the iOS 14, this app can also be very efficient for you. So guys, in the app you will have different motivational quotations. You can go to left or right for a quotation. You can also change the background of your quotation, एंड आप इसको चाहे तो शेयर कर सकते हैं या फिर अपने फ़ोन में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. एंड जब आप इस लेफ़्ट कॉर्नर पे जाएंगे तब यहाँ पे आप डिफरेंट थीम्स पे चूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड इनके भी आप डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड चूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड द मेन थिंग आई लाइक अबाउट दिस ऐप इज़ दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो get a widget for this app by going to the plus button and searching for the app. And just holding it and dragging it to your screen. So guys, the 8th app on our list is Empty, and which is basically a game, simple game. So guys, this game is quite easy to play, and you have to place the object in such a way that the object doesn't look. The object should look as the same as in the background. So guys, I like these type of games which are quite very simple and which are very addictive. And guys, the game offers a ton of levels which you can play at your free time. The 9th app on our list is Muse. So guys, Muse is basically a social networking app which is quite very bright. I say that you can change the color of this Muse over here also in very funny colors, and I'm just showing you an example. You can have conversation like this in your Muse app. So guys, अगर आपको ऐसे कन्वर्सेशन के बीच में GIFs भेजना, ऐसे मज़ेदार फ़ोटोज़ भेजना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, so you should definitely give this app a try. And I'm promising you that if you are using this app, you will actually love this app when you will start having conversation with people with this app. And guys, the last app on our list is Dashy Crashy, which is actually a very addictive game, which I say. So guys, Dashy Crashy is a fun game to play. So you just have to toss the cars in the game, and you have to collect the coins, and you can have boost, and also can get many prizes between the matches. So I think this game is very nice to play. So guys, that was all for today's video, and these were our top 10 best apps for the month of September 2020. And if you like the video guys, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have your favorite apps for the month and they are not in the list, please comment down below in the comment section.